Welcome to BOAhub. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up and create your account. Step 1. Start by downloading the BOAhub app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up. Step 2. You'll now be asked to choose how you'll use BOAhub. Select either Own Hydraulic Machinery or Own a BOA Setup. If you own a BOA pod, workshop, or container setup, or you are buying hose and fittings from BOA, select Own a BOA Setup. If you are only managing your own machinery or assets, select Own Hydraulic Machinery. Important: Own Hydraulic Machinery users get immediate access, but with limited functionality. Own a BOA Setup users must be activated by a BOA representative before they can access the app. Step 3. Enter your details to create your account. Your email address is your unique login and can only be used once. Create a password that meets the on-screen requirements. Enter your phone number. This can be used across multiple users if required. If you select a country, your phone prefix will update automatically. You can change this if needed. Step 4. Tick the Terms and Conditions box, then tap Sign Up. Step 5. You'll receive a one-time password via email and text. Enter the OTP code, then tap Validate OTP. Step 6. If you selected Own Hydraulic Machinery, you'll be logged in immediately and can start using BOAhub. If you selected Own a BOA Setup, your account will need to be activated by BOA. You'll see a message confirming this, and you'll receive an email once your account is live. That's it! You've successfully signed up to BOAhub. If your account requires activation, wait for confirmation before logging in. For any issues, contact BOA support.